The fire was inflamed, yet it consumed not the frame. The flame leapt upward in living brightness, yet its heat was gentled by hidden mercy. The fire burned and did not destroy, and the furnace received, yet did not devour. Blessed is he who tempered flame with kindness, and mingled judgment with tenderness. For the fire that is unbridled lays waste, but the fire of mercy refines and restores. The wrath is swallowed in compassion, and the burning becomes a healing. The youths were cast into the blazing furnace, and the flame clothed them as a garment of light. The bonds were consumed, yet their bodies stood whole. The fire discerned and chose what to burn. Their chains became ashes before them, but their flesh was preserved in glory. The king beheld forth in the midst of the fire, and fear was turned into astonishment. For the flame made itself a companion, and the furnace became a place of visitation. The fire that devours became a refuge, and the place of death became a chamber of life. O furnace of mercy, burn within me, and consume the bonds that bind my soul. Let my impurities become as chaff, and my heart be refined as pure gold. For the fire that purges gives freedom, but the untouched remains in corruption. The prophet spoke of a purifying flame, and of a burning that cleanses the unclean. Their words were sparks cast into darkness, awaiting the fullness of the fire. What was feared became desired, and the dread was revealed as healing. Blessed is he whose fire is mercy, and whose burning is full of compassion. In him the furnace becomes a womb of renewal, and the flame gives birth to the purified. Fire within fire is sanctified, and mercy within burning is perfect.